This tutorial will cover the removal and installation of the user interface board on the Ovention Matchbox Oven model M1718. To complete this procedure, you will need the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver and a straight blade screwdriver. Turn off the front cover power switch, allow the unit to cool. Turn off the disconnect switch, unplug the power cord from the receptacle, or lock out the breaker. Remove the two Phillips head screws from the right hand upper hinge mounted to the front cover. Take the door portion of the hinge and access cover off of the door and set aside. Disconnect the inline connector for the front door cooling fans. Disconnect the RJ45 cable connector from the user interface board connections as well. While supporting the front cover from the bottom, open the two latches on the left-hand side of the front cover. Remove the front cover from the unit by lifting it off of the bottom hinge. Place it on a protected surface to complete this repair. With the front cover face down on the protected surface, remove the 8 Phillips head screws from the perimeter of the front cover, 4 on the left-hand side and 4 on the right-hand side. Remove the inner air diffuser from the front panel by lifting it out of the front panel. Set it aside. From the user interface board, slide the small black tab toward the bottom of the front cover on the J3 and J4 connections on the user interface board. Carefully remove the LCD ribbon connections from the user interface board. Disconnect the 2-wire power connector, USB connector, and the RJ45 connector. Remove the 5 Phillips head screws holding the user interface board to the front cover and remove the board. Install the board onto its mounting post and install the 5 Phillips head screws. Connect the 2-wire power connector, the USB connector, and the RJ45 connector to the appropriate connections on the user interface board. Insert the LCD connection ribbons into the J3 and J4 connectors on the user interface board and lock in the black tabs to secure them. Install the inner air diffuser back into the front panel with the 8 Phillips head screws. Set the door back onto the lower hinge bracket and close the front cover using the latches on the left-hand side. Connect the RJ45 and black plastic front cover fan connector inside the access compartment on the right-hand upper corner of the front cover. Install the pin of the upper door portion of the hinge into the barrel of the cabinet portion of the hinge. Place the access cover over the door portion of the hinge and secure them to the front cover with 2 Phillips head screws. Installation is complete.